everybody they keep their prick. This social media saga where they happen for no happen. You know, people always they talk say, what did D1 see for very dark man body? D1 say one discipline very dark man. Actually, nobody say one discipline very dark man. When D1 enter Big Brother, you don't say that the Uber man will carry and go back. As he just come, they say, D1, take your load and return. As he one book, now the man say, I say. Hold on, as the man enter, so that voice when they say D1, that one say, pack your load and leave the house. You know, say they know they see the voice. So D1, you don't depend, you don't cram that voice, don't find that place he sings. So this is Big Brother, that voice. So when very that man come, because say, all right. Now D1 say he's the one. You know that? So if you want to know the truth about social media, the best person to ask is zicsaloma because he knows it all.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Give it up for my brother and my friend. He goes by the name Edopikin.
Say the blessing when you do. Bless the boy, you give him victory.
Comedians are hypocrite. After I don't carry guests put for hotel finish, you can't say they play gospel song. Did you call the play? I will pray, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will be. Are you not Satan for hotel? Before you call, you don't sleep with Satan. They shout out, oh my money get value. That's nasty. Money get power. As Seriki see pounds, he leave dollars. But pounds and dollar no be made now. That's why for school, if your pikin be dollar, they will pounds on them. Hold on, that's how they drop them small. This country, everything for this country just spoil. Anything we don't concern sex for this country, I know the value and sex, doggy, everything. Now that the value, sex, social media, everything does spoil this country. This country don't go. Things they spoil for this country, nobody they talk. As I speak to you now, the price of Panadol, they give person headache. Things for this country don't spoil. Even condom will be 200 naira before. Condom is now 2,500. Casino, let me. Condom now 2,500. Condom don't cost. We cannot even protect ourselves anymore. The price to treat protection can't cost fast food they give the infection. What is the total amount to carry get for total? Oh no, now 2,300 don't carry get for total. Before you know you buy it, you don't come out. That day I buy the condom, they tell me say 2,500. I just come out, but I still come back and buy them because I was under duress. You know, hold on now. You know, as I say, use the condom finish, the condom still here. Because normal I'll be rough rider. Oh, at the side of my nose, always so. You know, this Nigeria, the squadron of Nigeria, don't know, we know who they bother. Everybody now sex. My young would get. IBB confess, they donate, give him. He confessed that Abiola win the election. That's my confession. Because he confessed, they go beat him. IBB confessed that they donate money, billions of naira. Do you know they give IBB 17 billion for book where you know how many books I don't read? And they owe 17 million. They give IBB 17 billion. When I hear the money they give IBB, I get high BP. Oh no, Nigeria don't spoil. Nobody is not even talking about all this now just sex. If only we can keep our blockers, then we can focus, see what they block us. Oh, now people just move up. Now social media. Do you know my biggest problem now as I speak? That's my biggest problem now. Be say my pikin na get fan. My first son. For now, you everything for YouTube. My pikin leave everything for you to go fall in love with Gege. Do you know how long you convinced me to? How long you took me to convince that boy? Say, oh, boy, na battle. He got to tell me say that I don't do like that. I said, battle no work. What did they do? And then my pikin they go school in the morning. They just meet break. They just resume. And then my pikin they from say, I got my pikin they go school. My pikin get mine. They tell me say, Daddy, are you sure this is not a financial mistake? They tell me. My pikin, they talk. I got the child convince my pikin. Say school is I say, shh. And I know is the last word of a fool. So make a return and go, everything has sex. Do you know that you can post job opportunity now for WhatsApp? Nobody will message you. Post job, post market, secretly like they post job, nobody the message. But just post big nyash. Baba, for me, test nyash now. Me want test nyash. Just hold on, post. Now so I don't post one of my classmates where don't die. Post am for WhatsApp. The girl get big nyash. Now one of my guys don't message me, Baba. May they still pass me nyash now. I said, bro, you know say RIP. Say I met me no first. When you say that the abbreviation of the girl name. Now I say this particular arrest me now rest in peace. He don't die. Let her rest in peace. Leave this guy alone. That guy said my deepest condolences. 2 minutes later, that guy messaged me again. Bro, how far? I've used to get the number in case person die tomorrow. Hold on, everything about sex. Sex don't spoil it. Even the social media thing. Now sex saga and if not be said, I wish everybody they keep their prick. This social media saga where they happen for no happen. You know people don't let the talk say what did D1 see for very dark man body. D1 say one discipline very dark man. Actually, nobody say one discipline very dark man. When D1 enter Big Brother, I don't say that the Uber man will carry and come, I carry and go back. As he just come, they say D1, take your load and return. As he one book, now the man say I dey outside. Hold on, as D1 enter, so that voice when they say D1, that will say pack your load and leave the house. You know say they know they see the voice. So D1 they you don't that you don't depend, you don't cram that voice, don't define that person since. So this is Big Brother, that voice. So when very that man call, he can say, all right. Now D1 say he's the one. You know understand? Now that same voice. And you know say now they accuse everybody because the darker side of a man, and when they accuse say they sleep with another man. What if the man is not the one? Even our guy, they accuse him. Say before he feature the girl for skit, he will carry the girl go hotel, carry the girl like that and say, unde do. You understand? They accuse the guy. But at the end of the day, all these guys, they might be innocent because social media matter are two-faced. Hold on, hold on. Social media matter are two-faced. So if you want to know the truth about social media, the best person to ask is Zicsaloma because he knows it all. Since when they born me, I never see one person. If person dress, since when they born me, the other person say all dry. Person go dry, say this your shoe dry, this your cloth dry. And never see when you see person, you say when your nose go dry. Zicsaloma just change everything. Social media, yes, now social media makes everything up. And now women they cause all these things. Women, everybody they fight for woman. Even see senator when they shout the eyes have it. We don't say for night they beg one woman say can I have it? Everybody, they mess everything up. You know the women are the only people where they pretend to hate something for afternoon, can't like the tea for night. In the afternoon, women claim they hate suckers, but every night they play with balls. God have mercy.
M.O.P Laughing Star.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.